world? What are you doing?
Trying to get this leaf blower started. Look at all the mulch over here that I gotta blow up. I can't get it started.
Oh, no. Let me see that. Let me show you how it's done.
Here.
So I was gonna gift you this for Christmas, but I saw you were working too hard, so I had to come out here and show you how easy this thing is.
This is awesome. Is this the case for it right
It
here?
does. It comes with a case.
Oh, what's
Check
inside?
this out. So
I guess it comes with
yes, it comes with a warranty, your battery. You're gonna have some earbuds if you want to put those in your
that
ears.
case. That is pretty cool.
Yes.
Let me try this out. Look.
Try it out.
Look. It's so much easier than
It's
that
so
gas
awesome.
leaf blower.
Yes.
Now I can go inside and do my homework.
Yes, you can. And guys, you can get this off as present. Hey, you can use it for that too, folks. You can use it for that too.